Welcome to this brief tutorial of the lineAlerts indicator for TradingView. If you don't know the TradingView platform, just check it out at tradingview.com. A TradingView account is completely free and that is sufficient to use this free indicator. lineAlerts is a visually definable price lines alerter with various stop loss and ending options. An indicator like this can be added to any chart at any time frame on TradingView. Just open a chart and click Indicators at the top. Subsequently type the full indicator's name in the search input and it should appear. Clicking a little left of the indicator will add it to your favorites. Clicking the indicator name itself will add it to your chart. lineAlerts provides optional StartBuy and optional EndSell. In repeat mode, optional definable ending action. Buy and sell lines can be angled separately. A configurable stop loss. Starting profit calculation and effective alerts can be set further than the beginning point. There is an automatic empty bar correction for lower liquidity pairs on shorter timescales, and optional visual extension to the right for current buy and sell lines, and slippage maximum percentage parameter. Furthermore, lineAlerts provides full Autoview order automation, with separate order size entries for buying and selling, and a choice between a percentage or absolute amount for each. Clicking on the indicator's settings, the little gear wheel will take you to the configuration. The graphic aspects of all lines and markings can be modified individually in the Style tab. All functional parameters can be found in the Input tab. The buy and sell lines pattern is to be created right here. But first, a linear pattern needs to be detected on the chart. It might prove handy to manually draw a few trend lines first. When we open the lineAlerts configuration inputs, a starting point needs to be defined. So, the year, month, day and hour to begin have to be entered or adjusted. When a pattern begins a few weeks back and it is still expected to last for another few weeks, the active after hours parameter provides an opportunity to have lineAlerts calculating profit and activating alerts from a chosen point in time after the pattern has begun. The lines and labels are colored gray in an inactive first part of the pattern. This would normally be the time it takes to recognize and set the trend lines. The currently active defined lines can optionally be extended to the right with a dashed line extension. In case of narrowing lines or in a channel moving towards a fib node, support or resistance, this might prove handy. There are 4 prices to be set. When the StartBuy price is 0, lineAlerts starts with a sell. If the StartBuy is set, the StartBuy is only performed once and then lineAlerts proceeds to the sell. The sell line can trigger multiple times, just like the buy line, unless the EndSell last ending method has been chosen. Remember, each defined price is at the beginning point in time, which has been defined earlier. The ending method offers a variety of choices. lineAlerts can repeat actions as long as it is not stopped out, aborted or halted. When repeat plus selling end has been chosen as an ending method, it will always conclude with a sell, and with a buy when the repeat plus buying end has been selected. This setting overrides the stop out abort actions if necessary. The EndSell last option completes with a sell at the defined EndSell price after an optional StartBuy, sell and buy. So 4 actions at most. When the buy last option has been selected, after an optional StartBuy and a sell, a buy at a specified price will conclude the lineAlerts actions. The percent per day angle parameters make it possible to define lines that are not horizontal. A positive angle creates an upsloping line, a negative angle a downsloping line. Note that when the distance between both lines is narrowing, line alerts will halt when the difference is less than 0.21%. The stop loss method has various options. None means that no stop losses will be active at all. Flat uses a horizontal stop loss line and angle uses a line parallel to the buying or selling line also when these are angled. Stop out triggers a sell or buy alert, and abort just aborts all actions in line alerts. The stop loss percentage is a percentage of the price. When a buy has been performed last and the price drops the stop loss percentage below the buying price, a stop loss will be triggered. The stop loss method and percentage used are of the utmost importance for your strategy as a whole. The Slippage Max percentage also is a percentage of the price. It is added to the order price for buying and subtracted for selling to increase the chance of the order being filled. The maximum slippage is represented in the buy-sell markings and the last price lines. It is also included in the calculation of the profit-loss percentages. The bottom part of this configuration is only applicable if one uses automated trading connected to TradingView alerts. The syntax fully complies to the Autoview standard for spot trading. If an Autoview extension is active for the charted exchange and TradingView alerts are activated, it works right out of the box, so make sure to have all order decimals right. There are 2 buy alerts and 2 sell alerts for use with Autoview, with or without a percentage as amount or quantity. The usage of a percentage and the order amounts can be specified for buying and selling orders separately. The alert needs to be selected accordingly when creating a buy or sell alert in TradingView. Creating an alert on the current chart can be done by clicking the alert button on top of the screen or by opening the alerts info at the right, on a large screen that is, and clicking set alert on the top. Click on the first field, represented as the current ticker, to open a combo box and then select line alerts. In the appearing field below, select the appropriate alert, regular buy or sell, or the automated Autoview amount or percent alert containing all the automated API commands needed. Before an automated Autoview order is executed, all other orders left open for this ticker will automatically be cancelled. Once per bar is the best and most accurate option to use. The time frame on which the alert will be created must leave some room for volatility. For example, a pattern of a few weeks or months can better run line alerts on a 1-hour resolution than on a daily resolution to decrease chances of multiple triggers within 1 bar or candle. The expiration time maximum depends on the TradingView subscription type, just like the available historic data. An alert can trigger multiple kinds of alert actions, like email, a webhook and more, like playing a sound and sending an SMS. Autoview, a Google extension, picks up and processes the alert message. This requires that TradingView is opened and active 24/7. Running this on a VPS, a virtual private server, most likely ensures a better and more stable uptime and internet connection compared to a home computer for this purpose. There are several options to automate your trading. Therefore, the alert message created in line alerts can be overwritten or modified to your needs whenever an alert is being created or customized. When the alert is being created or saved, a warning appears about the repainting aspect. This is because line alerts uses bar and time-related functions to implement the anti-bar correction for low liquidity pairs at micro resolutions like a 1-minute scale. But don't worry, after clicking continue anyway, the alert will be created. When 1 or more alerts have been triggered, the alerts log will show them. Holding the pointer above a triggered alert message will show the exact message with actual values instead of placeholders. Besides all these technicalities, I first and foremost wish you good insights with detecting and setting up channels, triangles or wedges. Books have been written and many articles and videos have been made about the meaning and possible applications of functions like these used in charting. While one never can stop learning, trading is combining the right ingredients, having them baked in a timely manner and eating it while it's still hot. If you don't know the TradingView platform, just check it out at tradingview.com. An endless amount of chart data is available over there, like stocks from Apple to Zalando, futures, currencies and also many cryptos. But TradingView also is a platform for lots of trading ideas, analysis, information, indicators, scripting and more. A TradingView account is completely free and that is sufficient to use this indicator. However, if you don't like the ads or want to increase TradingView's possibilities, there are several options to enhance the trading experience with a paid subscription. So, it's all free, and if you ever choose to upgrade, you'll get a decent discount when the link in the description below has been used to create a TradingView account. So, take your chance. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching.